Today we are making this adorable lovebird craft. If you haven't picked up your craft kit yet, you can find one at your local library branch this week while supplies last. In addition to what's in your kit, you'll need glue, either a glue stick or school glue or other kind of adhesive. Let's open our kit and see what's inside. Here are all the things that should be inside your craft kit. Some of the pieces are very small, so be careful when getting them out. I have 2 small dark green pieces and 2 large dark green pieces, 2 light green pieces, 2 light red pieces, 2 dark red pieces, 4 little yellow feet, 2 yellow beaks, 2 pink pom-poms, 2 googly eyes, and 1 clothespin. Make sure you have all the parts available and ready before you begin. Our kit is going to make 2 lovebirds. Right now they're just a bunch of separate pieces, but when assembled, they'll look something like this bird on the left. So we are going to make 2 and starting with just 1 at a time. So the first thing I'm going to use is my dark green base. On top of that, I'm going to glue a light green bird. We're going to line it up so that the shapes overlap. Use your glue to attach the light green piece on top of the dark green piece. Once your light green piece has been glued in place, it's time to use the next piece. This one is the larger of the 2 red pieces and the one that's sort of shaped like the head. And in fact, we're going to glue it right on top of that bird's head, covering up that light green. Use your glue to attach the large red piece. Now we need the smaller red piece. That's going to go right on top. You can kind of see the beak shape, so make sure that's lined up with where our beak will ultimately go. And we're going to glue that in place as well. Okay, now we have used dark green, light red, and dark red. It's time to add the other dark green piece. We're going to lay this piece at an angle so that there's a little bit of space between the body and the tip of what will be the lovebird's wing. Glue this piece in place. Now we've used all our large pieces, we're going to move on to the smaller yellow pieces, starting with the beak, which is the biggest yellow piece. We're going to attach the beak to the lovebird's face. Rather than having the beak go straight out like this, I'm going to attach mine like a lovebird's beak, which is more up and down. We're going to glue that, and then we're going to move on to the other parts of the lovebird's face. So we're starting with this little pink pom-pom, which makes the lovebird's little cheek. You might need to use school glue for this, but I found the glue stick was adequate. You'll also want to attach your lovebird's eye using the googly eye. And then move on to the tiny yellow feet, putting 2 feet on each bird. The first bird is complete, so it's time to assemble and glue the second, making sure that it faces the opposite direction of the first. We're going to start with the largest dark green piece. Start with my green base, glue my light green on top of it, glue the red piece, the larger red piece on top of that, glue the smaller red piece on top of that, my other dark green piece on top of that, leaving it angled for the wing, my yellow beak, my eye, my cheek, and the feet. Once you have 2 complete lovebirds, it's time for your last step. Use your clothespin. And we're going to flip our birds over, making sure they're still facing each other. And now we have to attach our birds to the clothespin. Now for this step, glue stick doesn't seem to be up to the task. I used school glue, but you'll need a strong adhesive. We're going to glue one bird to one side of the clothespin and the other to the other side, You can match the little V in the top of the clothespin with the little V that the birds make. Give your pair of lovebirds plenty of time for the glue to set, but when it's done, you should be able to pinch the clothespin at the bottom and move your birds apart and back together for a little lovebird kiss. Hope you loved making this craft with us.